Mitanan! For tonight's dinner, Schlarraffenland will show you how to make tteokbokki. If you've ever seen a Korean TV show, you know this is the classic street food or snack of South Korea. Tteokbokki is Korean chewy rice cake traditionally cooked in a thick, spicy, and super flavorful sauce. This is the perfect dinner for you and your date to enjoy together while watching a K-drama classic like Descendants of the Sun or something. Okay, your date is going to be here with a hungry stomach soon. So let's get cooking. For this recipe, the ingredients can be found in most Asian stores anywhere on this planet. The first step is to soak 150 grams of rice cake, or tteok in Korean, excuse my pronunciation, for about 15 minutes in hot water to soften them. Meanwhile, you go and prepare your sauce. There are plenty of good pre-made tteokbokki sauce in the store, but today we'll show you a quick homemade version so you can impress your date with your cooking skill. For the sauce, we will use packaged dashi. Simply pour the dashi powder in boiling water and let it cook according to the direction on your package. If you cannot find packaged dashi or ingredients to make dashi, then you can just use water for the sauce, but be warned that it will lose the deep and rich umami flavor. While the dashi is cooking, let's prepare the topping. The standard toppings that go with tteokbokki are fish cake and boiled egg, but you are always free to add or exclude any topping to your liking. Our personal choice of topping includes 100 grams of Korean fish cake, 1 package of instant Korean noodle, 2 eggs, 2 cloves of garlic, half an onion, and a carrot. First, let's boil the eggs for 8 minutes to get a perfect hard-boiled egg. Cut your fish cake into bite-sized triangles like this. Cut your carrots and onion into thin slices like this. And don't forget to mince your garlic well. Put the garlic and onion in the pan first and saute them quickly on medium-high heat to release the fragrance. Then let your carrots join them in the pan and keep sauteing for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to add about 400 ml of dashi broth. Season your broth with 1 tablespoon of gochujang, which is the Korean chili paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, or in English is Korean chili flakes. Now you're learning Korean while cooking. Neat, isn't it? The gochugaru is optional. It depends on your spice preference. After seasoning your broth, bring it back up to a boil and then add your tteok and fish cake. Cook the tteok on medium heat for about 15 minutes so the sauce can reduce. While your tteok is simmering, we'll prepare our noodles. With the Korean instant noodles we're using here, simply cook them in boiling water for 4 minutes. After the noodles are done, drain the excess water and set them aside. Let's check on the tteok. If the sauce has well reduced but the tteok is not yet thoroughly softened, add some more dashi broth to keep the tteok cooking. As the sauce almost reaches the desired consistency, add your noodles and boiled eggs in there and mix well. Remember to taste and adjust the flavor to your liking. Keep it on the heat until you achieve the perfect sauce consistency. Finally, remove the pan from the heat and quickly add grated cheese of your choice on top. We're using delicious melty Gruyere. And if you want to lecture us about how cheese would ruin the authenticity of Asian food, you're free to do so in the comments. All we have to say is, Asians love cheese, so much so that we keep eating it even when most of us cannot genetically digest it. And there you have it, your own homemade tteokbokki served with juicy and delicious kimchi. Now your tummy doesn't have to growl in helplessness and unquenched appetite whenever you see the characters on K-dramas slurping down their meal. You can now make your own tteokbokki in less than 30 minutes to enjoy alongside with your favorite Korean characters, or even better, with your date. But Schlarraffenland, Korean shows have so many delicious foods. What if I want to try more, you may ask? Worry not. You can check out our gimbap video right here. Link is in the description, and you can also like and subscribe to our channel for more tasty K-drama inspired recipes. Now all that's left is ăn questa, buon appetito, itadakimasu, mời cả nhà ăn cơm, and dig in.